Live.
Already live?
Yeah.
Okay. Yogurt, everything. We are live. You can check on my phone. So funny. We are live. Okay, hi, okay. Hi, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம் and hi Andy.
This is the first time I'm meeting Aishu after lockdown.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So lockdown நடுவுல நாங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் பேக்கிங் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம்.
Yeah. அவங்க தனியா பண்ணாங்க.
இப்போ சேர்ந்து பண்றோம்.
Yeah.
So today we're going to make an orange cake, guys. As you can see, we have all the ingredients. Aishu nalla ponu madri, she came early and helped me. So this is the orange zest of 3 oranges. Then we have orange juice and pulp mixed together. This is for the cake. This is just orange juice for a glaze.
Okay.
And then we have
Butter.
yes, melted butter for the cake.
Yogurt, Greek yogurt. Cinnamon powder.
Some eggs.
Fresh cream. Okay.
Our sugar, which we've mixed brown and white because we like to pretend that we're healthy. And the flour, okay? So, this is a mixture of maida and almond flour. She likes almond flour.
Yeah,
I also
I like
like almond flour. So,
And there's a bit of salt
yes.
and baking powder.
Baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder and 1.5 teaspoon baking soda, which we will mention it in the recipe, which comes later. So shall we get started?
Yeah, tell me what I should do first.
First, we mix the wet ingredients.
Okay.
So the wet ingredients are butter, sugar. So butter.
Put them closer.
Yeah. There we go. And then I'm adding the sugar. So that's 1 cup sugar and 100 grams butter. You can stir it.
Okay, come on. Talk in Tamil now.
Sorry, Tamil. Also, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து I have oven preheat பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன். Settings 175 degrees Celsius.
எனக்கு அது சத்தியமா தெரியாது. I have an hour. அதுல வந்து அந்த டைமிங்கே எனக்கு தெரியாது. அது கரெக்ட்டா ப்ளீஸ் மென்ஷன்.
175 degrees Celsius and I preheated it for 25 minutes.
25
So 25 minutes ல எல்லாமே ரெடி பண்ணிட்டோம்.
Okay, super. So இது நல்லா இது பண்ணுமா mix பண்ணுமா.
கொஞ்சம் mix பண்ணிடலாம்.
Okay.
It will melt in a few minutes. See, Aishu. அவ்வளவுதான். Yeah. Very good, very good.
உடைக்காம இருந்தா சரிதான்.
அதேதான். So in the meanwhile, வந்து yogurt அப்படி
How much do we have to add?
1 cup yogurt, guys. I mean, sorry, half a cup yogurt, which is 100 ml. So now, okay, I've kept a spoon here. So Aishu, why don't you tell everybody, lockdown time என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க?
ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல. வீட்ல உட்கார்ந்து சாப்பிட்டு நல்லா குண்டாயி.
இதெல்லாம்
You tell me what you did. நீங்க என்ன பண்ணீங்க?
அதான் இன்ஸ்டாகிராம்ல எல்லாமே இருக்கு. செடி வளர்த்து.
Oh wow.
Which you refuse to come and see.
Yeah, I know. I'll see it now, like after the live.
Yeah, we're going to go up and check out my terrace garden, guys, in a little while.
Yeah.
And also, I learned how to cook. Did
Wow.
you know how to cook before lockdown?
Yeah, I always.
எனக்கு சுத்தமா தெரியல தெரியுமா?
Today she made
Thai
chicken
curry.
Thai curry, green curry. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. சூப்பரா பண்ணிருந்தாங்க. And I'm glad you learned cooking.
Yeah, that was my big lockdown activity.
So
You know,
that
we'll
is-
add the eggs.
Okay, super.
So you can also.
No, I just thought okay. Okay, இப்போ இது வேண்டாம் இல்ல.
Really?
Okay, super.
So we'll do 2 eggs and then mix it, and then another 2 eggs.
Okay.
You can keep stirring it. So
எனக்கு actually I think you've been baking cakes for quite some time.
எங்க அம்மா actually I mean from the time I was a kid I've always grown up seeing my mom bake, right?
சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து
Yeah.
you were telling me that.
So
But எனக்கு வந்து இந்த லாக்டவுன்ல தான் I learned how to bake cakes and healthy version. Yeah, it is super fun.
very therapeutic.
நிறைய பேருக்கு என்னோட வீட்டுக்கு வர guests and friends எல்லாருக்கும் நான் பண்ணி கொடுத்தேன். And my favorite was that pineapple upside down cake.
Nice, no?
Very nice. And mango season.
You know you can make it with mango, apple, and
Yeah, I know.
Fruit. It's yummy. Wait, let's put. So, I think I like to experiment with fruits. So I don't know பண்ணிருக்கேன் lemon blueberry cake பண்ணிருக்கேன். அப்புறம் mango cake, apple cake,
orange cake. I think orange is actually very different. I don't think நிறைய நான் இதான் first time taste பண்ண போறேன்.
பயங்கரமா இருக்கும்.
நான் பண்ணது கூட இல்ல orange cake.
So இதுதான் பண்றோம்.
Yeah.
It's actually really nice. I looked for many recipes, but ultimately,
how are the comments? யாரா திட்டுறாங்க?
came up with my own recipe. யார் திட்டு போறாங்க?
Okay, we can check. I mean, I can
also
check.
going to check.
Yeah, I can check it. Okay, wait. No, it's on the கம்மி பண்ணிட்டோம்.
Okay. See how nice it's looking.
Checking comments now.
Okay.
Yeah. Landscape இருக்கு.
Yeah, Sundar.
Can you?
Should be straight. Yeah, sorry. By the way, guys, my dear friends,
But it's always better the one this angle, no? No, this one for the live. Please.
Two of you there, no?
Oh, okay.
You get too crank.
Fine.
So, this is what we want finally. This is butter, sugar, and eggs.
Super. 4 eggs.
4 eggs. Oh, yogurt add பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Super.
Dun, dun. I like to use Greek yogurt, but you know you can use whatever you want. I will also put my finger in there.
Does it make any difference? Normal yogurt and Greek yogurt.
Greek yogurt is thicker.
But taste wise nothing.
Taste wise,
நான் actually cake பண்ணும்போது yogurt add பண்ண மாட்டேன்.
yogurt add பண்ணா
You told me last time, you remember?
ஒரு next level க்கு போயிடும். It becomes very soft and
Okay,
spongy.
we have some 3,200 people watching.
Let's hope some of them make the cake also.
Yeah. So after this, what next?
How nice it looks, no?
Yeah.
So this is what it looks like, everybody. அது வந்து முட்டை, சக்கரை, butter and yogurt. Correct?
Super.
Yeah.
You know, one person is saying add chicken.
Hey. Excuse me. Excuse me. So now.
அது வேற chicken cake எல்லாம் வந்து அது வேற.
இப்போ orange juice add பண்ணுவோம்.
Yeah.
This is our last and final ingredient, wet ingredients.
So you told them what is there, right? This is mix of
Orange and pulp.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So in this cake we have used not 1 or 2 but 3 oranges. ஒரு orange juice பண்ணிட்டு செப்பரேட்டா வச்சிருக்கோம். This is for the glaze. And the other 2 oranges, we juiced them and got the pulp. And of course the orange rind, which is very important because this gives a nice bitter flavor.
Yeah. And tell them I did this.
Yes, I started
சொல்லியாச்சா? Okay.
பின்ன
Credits.
ஐஷு அவர்கள் தான் இந்த ஆரஞ்சு ரெண்டை பண்ணாங்க. We'll keep some on top. We'll sprinkle it on top of the cake for decorative purposes. I think that's looking good, yeah.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it's looking great.
Hey, ரொம்ப சீக்கிரம் பண்ணிட்டோம் ஐஷு. என்ன பண்றதுன்னு தெரியல.
ரெண்டு பேர் இருக்கும்ல.
தனியா பண்றது ரொம்ப டைம் எடுக்கும்.
அதுதான். இப்ப ரெண்டு பேர் இருக்கறனால குயிக்கா முடிஞ்சிச்சு. Okay, next.
Your hand is hurting. We'll just keep. Yeah, we have to add the flour. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா ஆட் பண்ணலாம்.
Yeah, where's the spoon? வேண்டாமா அப்படியே. Okay.
கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா. Should we get a spoon?
I'll get a spoon.
Sorry. இல்ல அந்த scoop. Wait, careful. This one. Best ga.
So tell me one thing, okay? I always had this doubt. ஏன் அந்த flour வந்து கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா ஆட் பண்ணணும் because அது திட்டு
லம்ப் ஆயிடும். லம்பி ஆயிடும். அதனால. Yeah. எங்க அம்மா இத்தனை வருஷமா அவங்க வந்து ஒரு மிஷின் யூஸ் பண்ணாம அவங்க கையில தான் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க.
நான் கூட சொன்ன மிஷின் எடுத்துட்டேன்.
ஷார்ட்கட்ஸ்.
Samo?
Yeah. Full of
So இந்த லைவ் வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகாது. Better sing it or இங்க பாடிட்டு
இல்ல கேக்லாம் அவனுக்குள்ள போகட்டும்.
அப்போ
அதுக்கு அப்புறம் எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு
டைமிங்
இருக்கு. But anyway, actually ரொம்ப நாள் கழிச்சு நான் பண்றேன். Cake, which doesn't mean I've not been baking, guys. I've been baking secretly. Not so secretly, but still. I've just not been showing off on Instagram. I counted the number of cakes I've done. I've tried 10 different cakes
in this lockdown. Okay, which was the best one?
Actually, this orange cake is really, really good.
Okay.
Really, really good. All my cakes, I love.
Have you tried cheesecakes?
Illa, adu you try pannala. You try pannidya? I try pannala. But I think my personal favorite is the lemon blueberry cake. Adile what on it? Carrot cake, banana bread cake. It's all same. Then there's this one orange cake. That's 3. Then the mango upside down cake. That's
yeah.
Then lemon blueberry cake. That's 5. Then the plain vanilla chocolate chip cake. Then a chocolate zucchini cake. அது ஒன்னு பண்ணேன்.
Chocolate zucchini cake.
நல்லா இருக்கும். பயங்கரமா இருக்கும்.
சத்தியமா கேக்கவே நல்லா இருக்கும்.
You won't even taste the zucchini in the cake.
Why do you have to make chocolate zucchini cake?
Because the zucchini adds moisture to the cake, and you think, okay, you're eating vegetables.
This is really.
Then I made a chocolate ganache cake. I made a chocolate ganache cake. And I made a bread pudding. So put it right in. Overall, quite. Oh, apple cake! I forgot to add apple cake to the list. Yes.
Yeah. So we are almost done now.
Yeah, I know. Guys, it's so much nicer to bake with somebody. Actually,
it's easier, no?
So much easier, and
it's
also
fun.
more fun.
Yeah. So let's share something, okay? I'll tell something about Andrea, okay? நாங்க வடச்சென்னை ஷூட்ல இருக்கும்போது எனக்கு ஆண்ட்ரியா வந்து அவ்வளவா பழக்கம் இல்லை and we both used to share the same caravan and then எங்களுக்கு மியூச்சுவல் ஃப்ரெண்டே வந்து எங்களோட ஸ்டைலிஸ்ட் அம்ருதா தான். So she used to like என்னோட கேரவன்ல கொஞ்ச நேரம் அவங்களோட வேனிட்டில கொஞ்சம்.
So basically அவங்க என்ன சொல்வாங்கன்னா ஒரே கேரவன்ல ரெண்டு டோர்
இருக்கும். ஒரு பக்கம் அதுதான் நடுவுல ஒரு டோர் இருக்கும். ஆண்ட்ரியா பாட்டு பாடினாலும் அங்க சத்தமா பேசினாலும் எனக்கு கேட்கும்.
யாரோ திட்டிட்டு இருப்பாங்க போன்ல சிரிச்சிட்டு இருப்பாங்க.
அது எல்லாம் நான் திட்டது அவங்களுக்கு கேட்கும். So நாங்க ரொம்ப நாளா வந்து பேசிக்கவே இல்லை. அதுக்கப்புறம் we became very good friends, you know. And then ஒரு பெரிய பேக் எடுத்துட்டு வருவாங்க and அந்த பேக் ஃபுல்லா ஈட்டபிள்ஸ் தான். தீனி பண்டாரம்.
What is life without snacks?
Yeah, எல்லா ஸ்நாக்ஸும் வச்சிருப்பாங்க. நீங்க நினைப்பீங்க like she's a fitness freak, but she loves cakes, biscuits, chocolates எல்லாமே இருக்கும். and அவங்களோட ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டியே வந்து காஃபி தான். and she'll make very very nice coffee, guys.
By the way, I make coffee and ice cream.
Wow, I think you should do one day. நீங்க காஃபி பண்றது வந்து once liveல போடணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
பண்ணலாமா? இப்பவே பண்ணலாமே. It's a process. It's a joy. It's a
you want to see her make coffee? If you guys say yes, then I'll ask her to make coffee.
அவங்க சொல்வாங்க என்ன காஃபி தானே இது.
அது மாதிரி இல்ல, but she makes a very very different coffee. It's not like the regular coffee.
AeroPress baby.
AeroPressல ரொம்ப வித்தியாசமா சூப்பரா பண்ணுவாங்க.
செட்ல எல்லாரும் என் காஃபி தான் கேட்பாங்க.
ஆமா, வெட்ரி சார், தனுஷ் and everybody.
நான் தூங்கிட்டு இருப்ப கேரவான்ல அப்படி யாரும் வந்துட்டாங்க. மேடம் சார்
டீ கடை வச்சிருக்கிற மாதிரி கேக்குறீங்க.
இதெல்லாம் நடந்தது.
Yeah, so but we had great fun shooting for Vadachennai and நிறைய விஷயங்கள் you know like night shoots எல்லாம் போகும் and then we'll sit and சாப்பாடு அந்த சாப்பாடு தான் மெயினா ஹைலைட். என்ன சாப்பிடலாம் இன்னைக்கு, என்ன ஆர்டர் பண்ணலாம்.
What is that big place? EVP அங்க செட் போட்டு சரியான சாப்பாடு, like no good restaurants.
Yeah, we used to.
But we found one dhaba. We ordered palak paneer.
Sangeeta.
Yeah. Sangeeta. அது அருமையான palak paneer. இல்ல, it was really good.
Yeah, it was very good. We used to try அப்பப்போ ஏதாவது, பட் நிறைய
ஐஷு வந்து நான் வெஜிடேரியன்ல சாப்பிட மாட்டேன் அப்படி நான் ஃபீல் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
பியோர் நான்வெஜ். நான் வந்து பியோர் நான்வெஜ் தான். நான் வந்து இல்லனா எனக்கு
but she ate the palak paneer.
Yeah, I ate the palak paneer. Okay, what next?
That's
done.
We're done. Let me just check on the oven. We have to pour it in the cake. Okay guys, now we're just going to pour this batter into the cake. We'll just clear that up.
You're sure we're done? 15 minutes left.
Yeah, எல்லாமே ரெடி பண்ணி வெச்சிட்டோம்ல. ஒரு final touching இருக்கு. We can add some. This is a bottle of orange essence.
Orange essence. Yeah.
It's not part of the recipe. It's an extra fitting.
Extra fitting.
Extra fitting. ஆமா நிஜமாவே it's an extra fitting. So you just put one.
சும்மா ஜாலியா.
We are such good girls actually because we came early and we prepared.
Yeah, we prepared.
We actually wanted to go live at 4. We were like, Venna panna time actually.
You want
I put butter.
Butter. Okay.
That tray is being greased. The people who have watched these baking episodes before will know all this.
Okay. Now you do it.
You want to taste the batter?
I can.
Yeah, I think we should. It's always important to taste your batter.
Perfect.
Innu chakra venuma?
No.
Sure, no?
No.
Sure, la? Sure.
Confident. Pakka.
Orange சாப்பிட மாதிரியே இருக்குல்ல?
It's actually very nice.
So orangey and fresh. So come closer. So that's orange cake batter, guys. So I always do this at the end. Don't worry, my hands are clean. So yeah, that's it. Now we're gonna use some. So fresh and nice.
Yeah, you can just show them this.
Yummy. So now we're gonna put some
batter.
Yeah. இதுக்கு மேல என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா we're going to sprinkle some cinnamon.
Yeah.
Cinnamon and orange is a great combo, by the way. And cinnamon will brown the top nicely. So these are the reasons why we want to add some cinnamon and irukra orange zest to sprinkle.
Super.
You can do that. Wow.
Done. Should I just?
That is really good,
Yeah. Should I just bring it? Wait. Just check. This is tight, right?
Yeah, I think so.
கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா மூவ் ஆச்சு.
Okay, be careful. The oven is hot. I mean, I'm just telling myself that. It's hot. Okay. And now we're going to set the timer for 35 minutes. Yeah. 35 minutes. Okay. My house is going to smell of an orange very soon.
Yeah.
So sweet. Thank you. Now we're going to do the orange, the glaze.
Yeah.
Glaze. Just bring away everything in there.
So you're gonna melt the chocolate, right?
I'm going to use this final touch. That's for the orange glaze. So now guys, what we're going to do is, this is juice of 1 orange, half a lime, plus I have 100 grams of sugar and some cinnamon. And no, we don't need it. So I'm going to pour this in here.
That's like 1 orange, right?
Juice of 1 orange and half a lime. I'm going to put some cinnamon because I like cinnamon and everything. And the chakrais. Whoa. Yeah, we just keep stirring it. So the flame is on low anyway. You went for some press meet, la?
Yeah.
What did you go for?
I went for today. A movie is releasing.
Which movie?
It's called Carpe Ranasingam.
Aish's movie is releasing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to break all the lumps. Yeah.
Okay, now you can sing, no?
Hey, Nirma.
Yeah.
மறந்துட்டேன். இவரே நானே பண்றேன். No, we'll sing later. Any time. 55 minutes இருக்கு.
Breaking time. And we'll have to melt the chocolate also.
அது சின்ன விஷயம். You know, once I start shooting, I'm gonna miss all this actually. Yes.
Yeah. வீடே இருக்குமா மறந்து
வீட்ல உட்கார்ந்து
ஆக்சுவலா இப்போ என்ன ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா இது ரொம்ப பழகிடுச்சு
எனக்கும் தான். So that's
I started liking this actually.
Settled life. Because when we keep shooting, we don't know what's normal and what's not. Work அப்படியே போயிட்டே இருக்கு.
Yeah. நோடத்துல நடந்து கூட தெரியாது.
Exactly. The bubble life. We can make the chocolate in this.
Yeah.
Oh, but we haven't chocolate yet. So you get it.
Yeah. But actually, we don't have to really chocolate.
No, we don't have to really chocolate. So to make this orange cake even more delightful, what we're going to do is, I've got some chocolate, cooking chocolate, guys, and I'm going to chop this up, melt it, and make a chocolate ganache out of it. So how you make a chocolate ganache? It's really easy. You just use equal portions chocolate and fresh cream.
Simple.
So I love chocolate and orange as a combination. It's one of my favorite combinations. So that's what I'm gonna do. Do you miss anything about lockdown life? I miss the empty rooms.
Actually, they should have such a Sunday lockdown.
Okay, this is really hard because
We can just melt it like that, Andy.
the smaller it is, the better. Because otherwise it won't melt so quick.
See? You can just do it with your hand. Simple. It's very simple. Just break it like this, no?
Hey, you're just breaking the cubes, yeah. I know you cut பண்ணி வைக்கிறேன் பாரு. Man, this is really hard. I made a mistake, guys. I should have taken the chocolate out earlier, but I forgot. If it melts a little bit, it becomes easier.
No, it will melt like this. Try it. Try it.
Then you just put it in the bowl, there. On the garlic bowl. On the glass bowl. I put in the microwave. Oh my god, we forgot about our glaze. Oh no, it's oh no. Every time I do this, I forget about something. Shit.
Okay, it's fine, right? Nothing happened.
Oh no.
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, no, wait. Adla maavu illa konjam irukla, we have to wash it. Konjam wash. Rinse panna. Rinse பண்ணிட்டு கிட்ட ரைஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். That's all.
Udma.
Yeah, let me just wait. So it's a chocolate orange cake. Not just an orange cake.
And it's also a healthy option. And that's my phone. That's my phone.
Okay, I think it's good.
Go for it.
I really think we should cut it a little bit, yeah. I don't like this. Oh no. It's okay. 5 seconds rule. 5 seconds.
இதுக்கு தான் சொன்னேன்.
சரி முடிஞ்சிச்சு. Yeah. Okay, that's it. I'm giving up. Okay, one last piece.
No, no, Andy.
Sorry, sorry, go. This is my favorite cake topping. You can do this for anything. It's just chocolate and fresh cream.
Simple.
Simple, easy, and yum, yum, yum. And you can do your own variations on this. Like, how do I say it? You can add cream cheese and make it a cream cheese frosting, or you can add salt, but we don't want to add salt because we have orange as a flavor. So either now, I've learned the hard way that sometimes is it milk will come out. Enough. Ah, 51. Very good. Oh, see, that's why. See, we don't want all that in
நல்ல வேளை மூஞ்சில
Hey,
give.
no. See, கொஞ்சம் தனித்தனியா வருதுல்ல? Oh my god. போதும். தண்ணி அப்படியே ஊத்திட்டு. Okay, என்ன நடக்குதுன்னு பாருங்க.
I think it's done. No.
No, let it be. Okay, guys. I mean, this is basically it. Wow, this is really making all kinds of so weird. Anyway, it's cool. So I'm adding the cream to the chocolate. Okay? And I'm just going to pop it in the microwave.
Do you want to mix it?
Yeah, we should keep mixing it a bit. Let's see what the cake is up to. It's cooking.
Andy, check this. I mean, I think it's ready.
Oh yeah, it's done. It's
done.
It's caramelized nicely, la?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that, guys.
Look at that.
Yeah, bath. Well done.
Super.
Nalla.
Best. Done. Okay, now everything is done.
Now we'll just pour this over the cake once it gets done.
Yeah. I always like my kitchen to be really clean.
Yeah.
But Andy,
Hey, it's not my fault. It just squirted all over the freaking place. I think we can have a coffee.
yeah, maybe you can teach them how to make the coffee. Yeah. See, come on, guys. I promised you, no? Okay, we'll ask her to make Andy's special coffee. Okay, come on, Andy.
See, it's not melted.
It's not. But it's okay. We'll do it again.
I get it. Okay, maybe konjam.
But I think it's done.
Coming
It's
out.
done, Andy.
It'll be a little lumpy because of the big chocolate pieces, but we can pop it in the microwave again. It's not a big deal.
It smells really good.
Oh, it smells really good, la. So ganache is basically, it depends on the quality of your ingredients. If you get good quality chocolate, you get good quality ganache.
Yeah.
Simple.
I think it's done.
Yeah, man. Like, what the hell?
Hey, I think this is really good. Idukku mela konjam mottly andi.
Taste very good. Sure, I know you
Okay, போடுமா போடு. Okay, போதும். Yeah, it's done.
Such strange noises.
I think it's perfectly done. நல்லா மெல்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. Go make your coffee now.
Okay, fine. Basically, you want a coffee.
Yeah, I want a coffee.
Fine. making coffee, Andy? Yeah.
Okay. Please show them how Andy makes a special coffee.
I need a tissue to wipe up. So this is my AeroPress. It consists of 3 parts. I just need to wipe it a bit. There's a
and do you always make this coffee?
Yeah, I take my coffee very seriously. No, I mean, I have different kinds of coffee. Okay, that's the truth. I also have some Turkish coffee. I have this lovely strong coffee.
What is that?
It's nice. I like it. And hey, this is my coffee ice cream. So I always have.
She has show the fridge. Ellame. She made. Wait.
No.
It's a strawberry ice cream, right? Show everybody. She made strawberry.
This is my strawberry ice cream.
See all
Look
her
how
jars.
pink it is.
Come on.
Yeah, I've become a homemaker now. What to do? Those are my coffee beans. This is the deadliest thing in the world. This is my Guatemalan coffee beans. I'll bet you the ice cream.
You know, whenever I go to Ooty, there's a coffee bean chocolate.
That's also
That's
good.
very nice.
Let this thaw a little bit. You can try my coffee ice cream. It's really good.
Yeah.
You can try my strawberry.
Okay. Okay, now tell them how do you make your coffee?
Oh, I made one more ice cream. I made vanilla choco chip ice cream.
Okay.
Parvala, we'll talk about that.
Found
So
camera.
guys-
Round trolley board.
So this is the AeroPress, right? And
Yeah.
then we have these little filter papers, which are very important. So you put the filter paper into that, then you close it.
And this is AeroPress. Basically,
This is
you
the
can get it on
AeroPress.
Amazon.
Yeah, you can get it on Amazon. You can order it online. And then we place it on the cup. And then you just pour your coffee in to the AeroPress. So we're making coffee for 3. So I'm going to put 2 heaped spoons in, which should be good. Oh. And the water needs to be really bubbling hot. Okay. I wish you guys could smell on Instagram. It would be very cool. Because coffee is all about the smell, isn't it? And then you just pour as much water as you want. So and you keep stirring it like that. So I think that's good. Yeah, I think that's good. Keep stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. And then this is the hard part about the AeroPress. You have to do some work too. So you have to keep pressing it. There's an air pressure that builds up. That's basically the science behind it.
Oh no.
This is the problem.
Hard part.
This is the hard part. Oh my god, I hope it doesn't break inside. Yeah, see, that hissing sound has to come.
Yeah.
Yes! It's done. Ta-da! Coffee is ready.
And believe me guys, அந்த coffee ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். After filter coffee, நான் filter coffee ஓட பெரிய fan. But after filter coffee, எனக்கு Andy coffee ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
Nandri. So now it's it black. Are you sure you want it black or with milk?
Black is good.
Really? Yeah.
கொஞ்சம் milk போடலாம்.
இல்ல
கொஞ்சம் milk.
Even I think so. Okay, I'm gonna get out my little saucepan. Nobody wants me to sing, no? Thank God.
They're asking you to sing.
Oh God, really? Okay, guys. As soon as I finish the coffee, we'll have a little sing-along session. I promise. Okay.
என்ன பாட்டு சொல்லுங்க? No need இதுவரை, okay?
அப்படியா?
நிறைய வாட்டி பாடிட்டேன்.
வித்தியாசமா இருக்கே. அப்புறம் வேற என்ன பாட்டு பாடலாம்? சொல்லு.
Can you sing my song? Do you know any of my song? Can you sing கூட மேல கூட வச்சு?
ஐயோ,
லிரிக்ஸ் தெரியாதுல்ல?
இது நேத்து சொல்லிருக்கலாமே, தப்பில்லையே. இது நேத்து சொல்லிருக்கலாமே.
Okay, fine. Okay, forget about my song. You know this
நான் எனக்கு இளையராஜா பாட்டு தான் தெரியும்.
okay, sing.
எது?
உனக்கு எது தெரியுமோ அது பாடு. நான் என்ன சொல்லுவேன்?
Actually, I did one little Ilayaraja sir medley. Okay, Raja part ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் actually.
Super.
I'll tell you which all songs I know. அது கேட்ட மாதிரி நீ ஒன்னு select பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
Okay.
எனக்கு நினைவும் ஒரு பறவை தெரியும். நீ பார்த்த பறவை தெரியும். வா வா பக்கம் வா தெரியும். நேற்று இந்த நேரம் தெரியும்.
நேற்று இந்த நேரம். Yeah. That stuff? Okay.
No,
okay, fine.
Okay, நேற்று இந்த நேரம். La 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 la. La 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 la. நேற்று இந்த நேரம் ஆற்றங்கரையோரம் உன்னை தொட்டு என்னை தொட்டு தென்றல் செய்த கோலங்கள்
என்ன பண்ண? What did you do?
Bubbled over. I don't know how this happens. I'm standing here, but it still bubbles over. Parvala.
Okay. So now what are you doing? Like
Coffee. You need coffee.
so you mixed welcome.
Yeah. I'm giving everyone half.
Konjo. For me very little.
Iri na chapati. Wait. I'll put some sugar.
Okay.
So, you know what? I'm going to take the coffee, sit at the table and sing a nice song for everyone.
Yeah.
I think that's better. La?
Yeah.
I'm very accident prone in the kitchen, so, you know, it's better I'm not doing too many things at one time. Wow!
I told you, no?
I think you need to check out the
Cake.
the chocolate.
It's done. It's perfectly done.
Very good. Oh my god, this is like super thick, guys.
Show them that.
It looks like a jam. Okay, there's a little seed, I will remove it. Hey, taste my coffee ice cream, dude.
But we're gonna have coffee.
Sorry, Trust me, this is my coffee chocolate chip ice cream. Chuma. Oh, what a taste. What a taste. எப்படி இருக்கு? You're on camera, so don't lie.
It's really good. Really good.
Flavor is amazing.
Did you add that coffee bean?
Adena. Adena.
With coffee and
I think my plan in life is to open a restaurant and chill. Best plan.
Seriously?
La?
Okay, come. Now I'll make her sing.
Wait, I didn't mix your coffee. Yeah, I know. Okay. Let us sing a song.
You want to sit or stand? Enna pannalam?
I'm going to sit.
Okay, chalo, come.
Yeah. I'm turning off the music.
All right. Let's see.
All right.
Let us camera.
View.
Hmm?
Kalaki. கீழே போயிடுச்சுன்னு சொன்னாங்க. ஓகே, என்ன பாட்டு பாடணும்?
Maybe you can.
What song do you guys want me to sing? If you want me to sing. சரி, இங்கே கேள்வி பார்த்து பதில் சொல்லுங்க. How are you? We are fine, thanks. Quick என்ன? I don't understand. என்னம்மா உன் கேமரா ஹேண்ட்லிங்? Hey, Chaitanya Raham is saying hi.
Hi, Chaitu.
Kannum Nokia. Just easy peasy.
இதுவரை and this இதுவரை
பாடாம விட மாட்டாங்க, தெரியும். Okay guys, we will start with Kannum. Kannum Nokia, Nicole Mafia, cappuccino coffee or Sophia. Kannum Nokia, Nicole Mafia, cappuccino coffee or Sophia. கண்ணீரின் சிற்பம் நீ, கோடைக்கால தாகம் நான், உன்னை முன்னே நெஞ்சுக்குள் I sang the wrong words. கண்ணீரின் சிற்பம் நீ, கோடைக்கால தாகம் நான், உன்னை முன்னே நெஞ்சுக்குள் ஊற்றவா. ஐவா அன்பே வா. ஐவா அன்பே வா. கண்ணும் நோக்கியா, நீ கொல்ல மாஃபியா, cappuccino coffee Sophia. அடுத்த பாட்டு என்ன? இதுவரை மாலை நேரம். உங்களுக்கே போர் அடிக்கலையா?
But why can't you sing my song?
நேற்று இந்த நேரமா?
No, my song. Can you try?
I don't know it.
You don't know any of my
இது நேத்து சொல்லிருக்கலாம் இல்லை?
Very bad. Okay, can you sing your song? வடச்சேரியில இருந்து.
என்னடி மாயாவியா? Lyric கொஞ்சம் Google. Technically it's not my song. It's Sriram's song.
But it was your song படத்துல.
நம்ம பாட்டுன்னு சொல்லுங்க.
No, உன்னோட பாட்டு.
நம்ம பாட்டு.
Okay, நம்ம படம்.
நம்ம படம்.
உன்னோட பாட்டு.
சரிமா. சரி. Hey, என் தலை கேடுற, உன் தடம் போடுற, என் உயிராடுற, என்னடி மாயாவினி, என்னல மாத்துற, அந்தரமாக்குற, என் நிஜம் காட்டுற. நீயோ பாடு. தூக்கி இப்போ மிட்டாய் நறுக்குற, டிங் மிட்டாய் நிஜம் மாறி பட்டாக்கி இருக்கிற. என் தலை கேடுற, உன் தடம் போடுற, என் உயிராடுற, என்னடி மாயாவினி, என்னல மாத்துற, அந்தரமாக்குற, என் நிஜம் காட்டுற. நல்லா பாடுற.
I can sing maybe you sing.
சரி, நீ ஒரு பாட்டு பாடு. நீ ஒரு பாட்டு பாடு.
எனக்கு நிச்சயமா வராது.
நல்லா பாடுற. ஓகேவா பாடுற.
You sing இதுவரை itself. Maybe I can try. நான் கொஞ்சம் ட்ரை பண்ணலாம். Maybe.
என்ன மேடம்?
ஆமா மேடம்,
தப்பு இல்ல. அவங்க என்ன காசு கொடுத்து டிக்கெட்டா வாங்குறாங்க? சும்மா பாடு.
ஏமா? Okay, Andrea, sing இதுவரை. Maybe I can try.
Okay, fine. இதுவரை. இதுவரை இல்லாத உணர்விது, இதயத்தில் உண்டான கனவிது, பலித்திடும் அந்நாளை தேடிடு பாடல் கேட்டாயா. இதுவரை இல்லாத உணர்விது, இதயத்தில் உண்டான கனவிது, பலித்திடும் அந்நாளை தேடிடு பாடல் கேட்டாயா. மூடாமல் மூடி மறைத்தது தானாக பூத்து வருகிறது, தேடாமல் தேடி கிடைத்தது இங்கே. மூடாமல் மூடி மறைத்தது தானாக பூத்து வருகிறது, தேடாமல்
என்ன திட்டாதீங்க தயவு செஞ்சு எனக்கு வராது. I'm just trying. Super. You made me sing like I've never sang a song.
நல்லதா பாடுற பரவாயில்ல. எல்லாரும் தான பாடுறாங்க நீயும் பாடல.
பரவாயில்லையா? கொஞ்சம்
நல்லாதான் இருக்கு. நல்லாதான் இருக்கு.
Okay. Thank you. திட்டாதீங்க. I know Andrea is a great singer.
I'm going to go check on the cake.
Okay. Hey, they want you to sing Kaattu Payale. Kaattu Payale.
அதுவா? அது தெரியாது. Can you smell the orange? Oh. வெளில போயிட்டு வந்தா you can smell it. Because now you are sitting here, you don't realize.
So நான் வெளில போயிட்டு வரவா? வெளில போயிட்டு வந்தா
I'm going to go upstairs and show everyone.
Yeah, come on, let's show them.
Come on, let's go upstairs. We're going up to see my pretty little garden. It's not a garden, but la la la.
Cigarette.
Yay! Wow. See? It's only 4 little flowers. Okay.
And she's apparently having Kirai.
Yeah, dude. And this is my new chedi. It's a takali chedi. Ipoda vandirukku. This is my malagar chedi. Wow, look at it. A new one is coming up. This is so exciting. Okay. This is my vendaka chedi. Okay. This is my kirai chedi. And this is my kottamalli, but it died, so I have to rework it now.
But adla irukke kottamalli.
Konja kottamalli irukku, but இன்னும் வளரணும்.
Nice.
One day it rained and smashed everything.
Oh.
And look at this, dude. My keera is growing and growing and growing. No, பயங்கரமா வளருதுல.
என்ன
You want
கீரை
to take
இது?
some keera home?
What keera is this?
அது எனக்கே தெரியாது. Does anybody know what keera this is, guys? நல்லா வளருதுல. அவ்வளவு பெருசாச்சு பாரு. பா. So cool. So yeah. Guys, it's so easy to grow this, you know.
Yeah, வீட்லயே வளர்க்கலாம்.
வீட்லயே வளர்க்கலாம். அவ்வளவுதான். These are my little baby. No? The other side is I used to do my yoga on this terrace. Yeah. That's Buddha. You can say hi to Buddha. I think the internet is gonna go.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's starting. I think the place should be very loud.
It smells of orange hippo.
புரியுதா?
Yeah.
உள்ள போயிட்டு உள்ள வந்தா
இதுதான் என்ன வெள்ள புரியுது.
The whole apartment smells like an orange. It's amazing. Outstanding. Amazing.
10 more minutes.
I know, it's the cooling time.
It's done?
Yeah, it's getting done. We just have to get a toothpick to test it.
Okay.
Aisha, do you have any last words? Another
Last
message
words,
for
we'll
the
just show them the cake and then
eat it.
we are done.
You show them. You can have your cake and eat it too.
Yeah.
This is the truth.
So they asked you for Kaattu Payale song. Do you sing that? Did you sing that song?
Insta live பண்றது.
They'll ask you to sing, இல்ல?
இல்ல.
இல்ல.
இல்ல. இல்ல. But I think we should sit down.
Okay.
Come Aishu. Last 5 minutes.
Okay.
I think we
Last 5 minutes, so
we can talk about the issues we were discussing before our Insta live. Not in detail, but generally the events of the past week or so
yeah.
about women in this country.
Yeah.
I think Anupati we can have a small chat with everybody.
I think ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் ஐ திங்க் யாரும் ட்ரஸ்ட் பண்றது கொஞ்சம் பயமா இருக்கு. கூட இருக்கிறவங்களே இட்ஸ் மை பர்சனல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கைஸ். நான் என்னோட பர்சனல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஷேர் பண்றேன். ஆண்டி வில் ஆல்சோ ஷேர் ஹர் பர்சனல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ். ஐ டோன்ட் நோ, கொஞ்சம் ட்ரஸ்ட் இஷ்யூஸ் இருக்கு, யாரும் நம்ப முடியல. And I don't know, it was like take it for granted madri irundhudu. There's no
we're talking about basically
yeah
people in our industry who don't respect women. Adha unma illa.
Correct.
They think ponna irundha enna vena pannalam, they get away with it appdin yosikranga. Both of us have had an experience where she was cheated by an assistant, and somebody tried to cheat me also by talking about a project which was actually not happening. So, and then naatle or periya vishayam nadukudhu
adalla taandi
adha unmai. So
we really don't know, trust issues inga nariya irukku, yaara nambano namba koodadhu, kooda irukravanga
adala taandi we just, it's about respecting women. End of the day,
you should also listen to two side of story. நீங்க one side ல கேட்டிட்டு இன்னொரு சைடுல
கேட்காம ஜட்ஜ் பண்ண கூடாது,
ஜட்ஜ்மென்ட்க்கு வந்துடுற.
And every man has a mother,
sister, wife,
daughter,
illa
we are also somebody's sisters, daughters, somebody's daughters,
and we are women. அந்த ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு ரெஸ்பெக்ட் எதிர்பார்க்கிறோம். நிறைய இப்போலாம் யூ நோ வாட் ஆண்ட்ரியா, ஐ ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்டாப் ரீடிங் கமெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் இந்த மாதிரி விஷயங்கள்லாம் பார்க்கறதே இல்லை. ஏன்னா வந்து நிறைய நெகட்டிவிட்டி இருக்கு. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சுச்சுவேஷன்ல we are trying to live ஒரு பாசிட்டிவ் லைஃப் நம்ம இருக்கணும்னு நினைக்கும் போது
ஏற்கனவே இருக்கிற பிரச்சனை வச்சு
இதுல வந்து ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா வந்து நம்மள ட்ரால் பண்றதா இருக்கட்டும், இல்லைன்னா கலாய்க்கிறதா இருக்கட்டும், இல்ல ரெஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணாம இருக்கிறது தான் ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. So even I was telling her today, இன்னைக்கு லைவ் பண்ணும்போது நம்மள வந்து நிறைய பேர் they're not actually சின்ன விஷயம் தான் இது. ஜென்ரலா நாங்க வந்து ஒரு ஃபன்னா தான் ஒரு விஷயம் பண்றோம், just to you know இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சிச்சுவேஷன்ல ஒரு என்டர்டெயின்டா இருக்கணும். We want to meet you in person,
we want to interact with you guys. That's why we do these Insta lives, but it's not always taken that way, and a lot of people don't respect our time, our effort, our energy. And let me just say, at the end of the day, in the ulagame, it's tough for any woman to come up in this world, because it's a man's world. Second, in this industry, it's extremely tough for a woman to come up, and the way people like to drag women down, ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு காரணம் இருந்தாலோ it's always the woman's fault, whatever happens. எது நடந்தாலும் it's always the woman's fault, and I think it's time we change that, really. So
take it for granted.
Don't take us for granted, and don't take us to be fools either. That's all.
I think we should be very, very careful. Lessons learned. So let's show them the cake, and then
the cake is going to be done. That was just a serious note.
But we are not serious people at all.
We can be.
Sometimes we have to.
The cake is almost done. Don't be scared. It's going to be brown on top because I put the cinnamon powder.
Yeah.
And it's done.
It's done?
Yeah.
It's going to do sound or
varo ipo. Zero kadchale ting. See?
Yeah.
Can you just... Okay, wait. Yeah, I think it's done. Look at that. Whoa! Oh, can you smell it?
Bah! Samaya irukku.
Oyyo, samaya irukku.
And
this is the mighty fine cake. Yes. So this is the cake. We're just going to do a perfunctory test. Of course, the cake is done. That's the toothpick test is done. So this is our glaze, which we're going to just smear here.
Whoa!
ரொம்ப திக்கா ஆயிடுச்சு.
பரவாயில்ல.
Taste பயங்கரமா இருக்கும். Dude, this cake is looking epic. La?
Yeah, it's really good.
Chocolate தேவையான்னு யோசிக்கிறேன்.
தேவையில்ல actually. வேணும்னா போட்டுக்கலாம். It's just an extra topping. Whoever likes chocolate அவங்க போட்டுக்கலாம்.
Exactly. Guys, this is our beautiful orange glazed cake.
I'll just bring a small plate.
I always sing when I'm happy and also when there's food.
Where are your plates?
To slice the cake? 1 minute. I'm coming. Wow! Just come here, no? See this. Anyway, it's too hot to cut now. I know you want to eat the cake.
Yeah.
Wait. Wait for now. So while we wait for the cake to cool, you guys can. That's the cake. I think it looks fantastic. Look at that.
Ooh la la.
We're very proud of ourselves.
Yeah,
and the cake
guys,
that we
we'll
have
try
made.
பண்ணுங்க.
So, thank you all for joining us.
Yeah, thank you
Thank
all.
you for coming and baking. Finally, we did it. High
Yeah.
five. Before we all go back to shoot, what a last and final Insta baking session.
Done. And we did it.
And we did it.
Thank
So-
you guys. Thank you so much. And we always love you.
Yes.
And Nandri Vanakkam.
Take care. Have a great weekend. Bye. Okay, now let's eat the cake.
Yeah. It's done?
It is done. Avada.
Close இல்ல? Off பண்ணியாச்சுல?